Closing the course review. Where there is a beginning, there is an end, and I am thankful that you have made it this far, and hopefully you have learned a lot from this course. More importantly, I hope that you really have had fun. We are going to review the entire course and talk about our journey. We started off by creating bespoke point charts where we put individual points onto our canvas. We then worked on creating line charts, which essentially draws a line between two different points, potentially creating a curve. We then did a segue just to have some fun and variation and explored creating jitter charts. Then we looked at connecting those points and not to draw just a line, but a polygon shape. This is really the engine that would allow us to create anything we want to. And to hammer home all 4 sections and all the lessons learned, all the practice, we also had a suite of miscellaneous charts. Hopefully this has enabled you to do one thing. It has enabled you to create your own bespoke data visualizations by applying these very techniques. So if you want to, please, the course is yours, the lessons are yours. This is all for you to keep. Revisit the classes if you want to, revisit the individual tutorials, the individual videos. The main thing is to learn as much as you can and at the same time have as much fun as you can.